Thermal power plant. A thermal power plant is a type of power generation station that uses heat, energy to produce electricity. The heat is typically generated by burning fossil fuels such as coal, natural gas, or oil. Key components of a thermal power plant. 1. Boiler. This is where the fuel is burned to produce heat. 2. Steam turbine. The heat from the boiler is used to produce steam, which drives the turbine to generate electricity. 3. Generator. The turbine is connected to a generator, which converts the mechanical energy of the turbine into electrical energy. 4. Condenser. The steam from the turbine is cooled in the condenser, where it is converted back into liquid water. Process of electricity generation. 1. Fuel handling. The fuel is transported to the power plant and stored in a storage area. 2. Boiler operation. The fuel is burned in the boiler to produce heat. 3. Steam generation. The heat from the boiler is used to produce steam. 4. Turbine operation. The steam drives the turbine to generate electricity. 5. Power transmission. The electricity is transmitted to the power grid and distributed to consumers. Types of thermal power plants. 1. Coal-fired power plant. This is the most common type of thermal power plant, which uses coal as the fuel source. 2. Gas-fired power plant. This type of power plant uses natural gas as the fuel source. 3. Oil-fired power plant. This type of power plant uses oil as the fuel source. 4. Nuclear power plant. This type of power plant uses nuclear energy as the heat source. Advantages and disadvantages of thermal power plants. Advantages. 1. Reliability. Thermal power plants can operate continuously, providing a reliable source of electricity. 2. Scalability. Thermal power plants can be built in a variety of sizes, making them suitable for both small and large-scale power generation. 3. Low capital costs. The initial investment required to build a thermal power plant is relatively low compared to other forms of power generation. Disadvantages. 1. Environmental impact. Thermal power plants are a major source of air pollution, emitting greenhouse gases and other pollutants into the atmosphere. 2. Water pollution. Thermal power plants also produce wastewater, which can pollute nearby water sources. 3. High operating costs. The cost of fuel and maintenance for thermal power plants can be high, making them less economical in the long run.